Welcome to this 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom, split floor plan home. It is immaculate. Check out this amazing front patio. Have you been dying to sip your coffee or maybe have a glass of wine on your front patio? Or what about your back patio? Well, let's go check out this home. You're not gonna wanna miss it. Come on. Check out the size of this kitchen. It is oversized. The ceiling height is so inviting and the gas appliances are to die for. Let's go check out the rest of the house. Have you been dying to cool off this summer in your own private pool? Well, this is your chance. Don't sleep on this one. It's gonna go fast. Minimal rear neighbors on this dry retention. Stunning home, ready for its new owner. Be sure to give us a call. All the information's listed below. Till next time, bye.